Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a zoom transition in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with editing our videos. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and import the videos that you want to use the zoom transition on. So you can either go to the file option right here and go to import your media, or you can just go ahead and drag it from your folder directly into the timeline right here and get started. So guys, now we have our videos right here in the timeline. We can get started with the zoom transition. So what we want to do to be able to get an effect is go ahead and select the video that we want to use the effect on. Then for selecting it, you want to go ahead to the edit option right here at the bottom of the page, click on edit, and this is now going to open up the edit section where we can get started. So in the upper left corner, now you'll find this option that says effects. You want to go ahead and open up effects, and after opening up effects guys, it's going to open up this new menu or your toolbox of all the effects you can use. As you can see guys, we have the video transition option. So guys, here is our video transition, and now under video transition we can select what kind of transition we want, additive dissolve, blur dissolve, and so on. You can use the smooth cut for the best zoom transition right here, and then you can get started using the transition with your zoom effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.